Hey, planner friends, I hope all is well this Monday. It's kind of rainy and dreary here, so I thought that I would do a spread because I've been holding on to these things for a while. These are some Jane Davenport rub-ons. Y'all know I love a good rub-on. And this is some stickers that I've had from Happy Planner for a while, and some paper also from Jane Davenport, and I am going to try to combine them with this bold and bright sticker book that I have from Happy Planner. So with that, let's get started. Let's see how far we can go before the phone rings or something else goes on. You know how it is on Mondays. Those are usually days that folks call and stuff. I love the ripped look, so I'm going to start with that and use it on the bottom of my spread as my washi. Don't want to lose any paper. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to tear this little bit from this side since it's not as long. And I am using this double-sided tape today to stick down. Ooh, I don't like that edge. And of course I didn't put my scissors over here, but we'll see. And I want it a little bit thinner, so let's come in and tear some. I'm going to start off with this being live, and then I'm going to stop and add to it because it'll take a minute to put down the rub-ons, but I will come back so you can see each stage of what I'm doing and hopefully get some good ideas for yourself. But that is going to be the bottom, and I think I'm going to use these cute stickers as my headers. Love a good colorful layout. So hopefully this will be as cute as I have envisioned it in my mind. You know how that is. Sometimes the spreads work, sometimes they don't. And I know I'm going to regret putting that down before putting down my stickers. But we shall see. Like, I just love this sticker book. Let's see, what should I use as my washi up top? I want to use some of that black and white, but I don't know. Let's see. Y'all, we got to get into those stashes and get these sticker books out and use them. So that's what I'm trying to do. I don't know right now if I'm going to use some headers for my day, so I'm going to place this washi underneath. I'm going to fold it over so I can come back after I get my scissors together and cut that edge. And until then, we're going to leave the days out the way that they are in the planner. Okay. Now let me take a good look before I go any further. I kind of want to use these stickers instead of the transparent ones. I don't know, let's see. No. And I always try to go a little bit below the markings for the box to give me some extra room for the sticker, as well as for you to be able to see the pretty trim on the header. Uh-oh, a little bit short here. Short and crooked. Okay, but it's all right. So far, this is what we have. And again, I'm going to be using these Jane Davenport rub-ons from my stash. I got these from Michael's some time ago. If it's on sale, I'll buy it if I think I can possibly use it in some way. And I always try to think of different ways to use these products. They cost enough, so you gotta get all the bang you can out of them. Oh yeah, the other thing is, I like a good statement sticker, so let's find one of those. Plan a life you love. I like it, I like it. Ooh, I know where I'm going to place this. I love a circle sticker. Right here where I had a little extra space, I'm going to place this, but I'm not going to put it all the way down yet because... Oh, I just realized I have some separate stickers over here. I thought this was actually cardboard. Okay, we're cooking with gas now. I'm going to put this here for a moment because I don't want to stick it down. Still looking for a good bold statement sticker. I don't know if it's going to be transparent or paper. Let's see. So far, I'm pleased. What about you guys? What do you think? I am in a classic vertical. This is a Paper House production sticker book. I believe this is like junior half disc size. Always believe in your wildest dreams. I hope I'm on camera so you guys can see a little bit. I like the foil, definitely. Hey planner friends, I am back. I had to go get my scissors, and what I did was cut and add the bottom strip for my washi. I also added these paint splashes. I'm going to cut this one here, and I'm going to save it and put it somewhere. I don't know where yet, so I'm just going to put it to the side on this release paper. And I'm going to go ahead and put that down after I get a little square to put over here in the box. Let's see what I can find. The internet is also trying to go in and out because of the rain. So that's making my work a little bit slower than I wanted it to be. Okay. Put these boxes here. And then I can put that down. All right. Oh, I also did one little spot with my rub-on. Let's see. Okay. All right. course, this is a little too long, so we'll come back and trim it. But for now, I'll just turn it like that so it won't stick to anything. And the same here. So far, so good. This just looks a little crooked to me. You put it down and you think that it's straight and it's not. All right, over here, again, this is a rub-on. I'm going to separate it. And I'm going to put it down here. And I'm going to rub. One of my tricks is try to rub it down pretty good before you start rubbing on it. And also, you will feel a little bit of a release when it's done. And you can see it lift up from the paper. This is a good way to take out your aggressions. Sometimes when they're old, too, they don't want to come up. But this seems to be doing okay. I'm going to come back in some circular motions. And also, most of the time, I use a bone folder to rub. Let's see. Okay, that isn't wanting to come up, which means you need to rub a little bit more. Okay, there you go. Might be this that's crooked. I don't know. I don't want to pick at it right now. All right. Let's keep going. We're almost home free. Again, I'm going to have to... Maybe if I can lift this without tearing the paper, I can put it down. I told you I was going to regret putting them down earlier. But with this, I'm going to come down a little bit because I don't want to cover up, check it off. This is also going to have to be trimmed, so I'm going to lift it up. There you go. And I can't stand it. This looks crooked to me. Is it going to cooperate? Yes, so far so good. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. So you don't tear. Okay. All right. I'm going to also put my rub on right here, so I'm going to have to put this a little bit on top. Now maybe over here. DK has me obsessed with these crescents. Okay, I'm going to rub some more rub-ons and then I'll come back for the final stages. Thanks so much for your patience. See you in a minute. pretty clean cut. You can go back and sand it or rub it a little bit to make it smoother if that bothers you, but it leaves you pieces that you can go back and use on boxes. And that is what I'm going to do. I am going to finish up here. Let's see where we want to go. Still using my different ones. So let's get to this. I've already placed my rub on. I'm going to give her a good rub. I'm adding some bacon. I'm feeling very artistic today. Got this spread. Remember, I cut a piece of that paint splash. I'm going to come back over here. I'll save those pieces and rub them in. Make that spread truly well. I'm going to place something that really and I tore off that piece over. I added over here some red sugar sticker. I added my X's because of the black and the stickers in there too. I finished up with my rub on, and I think that was it. The only other thing I'm going to go through with these is add some of these pretty labels. They have that hint of gold, and that's going to be it. And I'm going to do a reel showing the final thing. Thank you so much for sticking with me with this cute little plan